Hello, N3FJZ here with more MAX-SSB work. This is the mixer, module number 220. I've completed it. And here's a view of it with my little circuit boards that hold the toroids. And then we have the 1N5711 diodes that make up the mixer itself. The diode part, diode ring. And then the other output transformer. These are tri-filler wound on toroids. Schematic on my website. Here's my homebrew terminal strips. And this is built on a piece of tin-plated steel sheet, or you could build it on a circuit board section of circuit board. Okay, to see the schematic, just do a DuckDuckGo search or a Google search for my call sign, N3FJZ. And then what you want to do is look for the circuit 6040 homebrew ham radio Remy Park link and click that link. That'll take you to my website. If you click here, the MAX-SSB transceiver, and then scroll down to 220, module 220, which is the mixer, we'll bring up the schematic and the photo of the board itself. To test this new module, I'm going to use my existing ZX-SSB-II rig, this RF deck here, and remove its mixer and then solder in the new mixer and see what the performance is. Okay, first here's a little sound quality check with the existing mixer, just to give us a baseline.
DB1HY. Alright, Peter, good morning. I'm still down here. Get my, had to turn my foot sideways. That wasn't any fun. Good morning to the Sunday morning group, QL26.
Is microphone into the Bellari RP520. Then that rolls into a Behringer Multicom Pro.
Good. Over to email then, Casey Max. That is on the roof is connected to it because
And cooks good for her too, because that'll make my belly full.
I don't know. Haven't been doing too much of that at all. Chasing some DX, and we've always been chasing DX. Always do that. Enjoy that. And
okay, now I'm going to solder in the new mixer, and we'll see if we can get similar results.
one for a dummy load or a bypass.
Okay, what I've done here is I've just tack soldered the new board, left the old one in place, removed the leads going to the original mixer, and I just have clip leads going to the new mixer, just to give it a quick test. And so here we go.
Let's see here. The third item I've got is a RadioWorks line isolator. If you're running something like an NFET halfway.
you can gig them too.
Four cut out and move on to another big project. So wife bought a couple ceiling lamps for replacing some light fixtures in the house. I'll probably get to that today too. Between gigs, no more basketball, so that's over. So it's baseball season and NASCAR. Oh, that's right. The Masters is going on this weekend. Have not paid attention at all, so maybe I'll turn on and watch some Masters.
Able to switch the ports for no other reason, just to do it.
but I'm sure it's party as ever. Alright, what are you there, Harry? This is W8 here.
He is about 8 over par right now, but he did make the gun.
No way.
Oh, yes.
That board, do one of the boards have a direct, because I don't know the Hermes that well, do one of the boards have a direct microphone hookup?
No, unless you add the, there's another board for that as well. IO board, whatever they call it. So if you add that, then yeah, then you can have a mic in 3.5 millimeter.
That's all you're missing to have, to mount that whole thing on an arm and have a Hermes mobile.
Yeah, yes and no, because there is Bluetooth capability on the Raspberry Pi.
And 4Q.
No, that'd be very
That'd be a
cool.
4Q.
Have that thing on an arm right off the dash.
Yeah, it's, for me, it's really not for the car. It's for like if I go camping or, you know, if you do.
Who are you giving it to?
And then I've got a couple of
There's low CQ on the 40 meter band, calling CQ, calling CQ, calling CQ. Doing it anywhere, CQ, Separate, I think, wood grain inductors in it. And unlike the normal ones that aren't labeled on the front for the work being in 10 meters, this one.
Well, anyway, that was a successful test. I hear no difference between the two mixers. So this is going to be mark this module completed, and we will move on to the next. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. N3FJZ73.